baby bath and shampoo. Gentile, used every day, gives more skin protection than your baby ever got with ordinary soap. Gentile's suds are milder than floating soaps. So mild they won't sting baby's eyes like soap. Yet Gentile's special antiseptic ingredient is effective against common skin bacteria. Gentile rinses completely, leaves no irritating soap film. Yet its daily antiseptic action helps to protect your baby's skin from irritating diaper rash, from common skin infections, hour after hour after hour. So give your baby more skin protection than he ever got from ordinary soap with new hospital-tested Gentile baby bath and shampoo by the makers of famous Baby Magic.
Start your day a little bit better with Post Grape Nuts Flakes. Post Grape Nuts Flakes. The Energy Flakes. The whole wheat flakes for energy. For energy. The Energy Flakes. Post Grape Nuts Flakes.
From the most abundant plantations of the coffee countries, from the choicest of the coffee trees there, a whole new blend of the world's finest coffees, the new Sanka coffee. Make some sometime soon. Make it any strength you like. The point is, the richness straight from those coffee plantations always cuts through, reaches back, and discovers taste buds you possibly never even knew you had. Fix it any way you like your coffee to be fixed. You just can't cover up this pure coffee goodness. Have another cup. Remarkably, this new Sanka coffee is still 97% caffeine-free. You'll find the new Sanka coffee at your store in this big new 8-ounce size and this nice-to-hold new jar. Hold it soon.
It's a good feeling to know your smile is welcome. Your whisper, soft and pure. This is the security clean white teeth give. And whiter teeth is what this toothpaste is for. New McLean's gets teeth irresistibly white. What a wonderful feeling to brush with McLean's. Invigorating, stimulating. Its tingling taste says whiteness. Smile at yourself. You'll see a new whiteness you wouldn't have believed possible. You know whiter teeth are cleaner, freer from tartar and the agents that cause decay. McLean's gives your teeth that whiteness. A whiteness you see reflected in the smile you get in return. A whiteness you feel secure in. Whiteness is the security McLean's gives. New McLean's toothpaste.
Because Wonder Soft Whipped bread is made from batter, not dough. It has no holes. Get Wonder Soft Whipped.
New Good Luck Margarine gives you both preferred unsaturates and preferred flavor. Preferred unsaturates for those concerned about the family diet, plus delicious flavor your whole family will prefer. Preferred unsaturates and preferred flavor. New Good Luck Margarine gives you both at no extra cost.
Family like an assortment of breakfast cereals? Well, just for variety, why don't you try the convenient assortment? Kellogg's Variety Pack. 9 cereals to choose from, 10 individual servings. Kellogg's Variety Pack.
Kellogg's best to you. It's the newest, most exciting sound in town. It's a General Electric blender that's going around. Completely new from base to lid. Take it apart, see what they did. The non-skid base is the lowest you'll ever see.
The decanter has a 36-ounce blending capacity.
The non-spill lid is really smart. For blending convenience, it comes apart. Add additional ingredients, if you will. Look, no splash, see no spill. Put them all together and you know it's true. The General Electric blender is best for you. If you want to know another reason why,
It's only 10 1/2 inches high.
stores easily on the counter or on a shelf. There's 1,000 things you can make yourself.
Make party spreads.
Great cabbage heads. Blend the meatloaf for a family of 8. Make ice-cold drinks you'll appreciate. Now's the time for you to buy the General Electric blender.
Did he say only 10 1/2 inches high?
If you have a perceptive eye for beauty, for the dramatic, for true elegance, you owe it to yourself to take the wheel of the beautiful, dramatically new luxury sedan by Oldsmobile. Modern styling is an Oldsmobile tradition, and the 98 luxury sedan is an eloquent expression of that tradition at its finest. Inside, you'll discover the ultimate in limousine comfort and luxurious interiors. Rich new fabrics in a variety of subtle tones and distinctive weaves. Center armrests front and rear, and lush, deep pile carpeting. Unmistakably elegant when motionless, the real key to the pleasure of owning this all-new 98 model is its smooth, effortless performance. Its brilliant skyrocket engine and 1963 Hydromatic develop a silken flow of power that matches the magnificence of the automobile itself and lives up to the promise of the name Oldsmobile. The 98 luxury sedan is the flagship of the Oldsmobile line for 1963, the epitome of elegance and distinction that brings a new measure of excitement to motoring. It is truly a styling and engineering achievement, Oldsmobile's crowning creation in the fine art of automotive craftsmanship and design. You are cordially invited to inspect and drive this magnificent new car, the 98 luxury sedan by Oldsmobile.